today I'm going to be opening a late happy birthday gift from a Tia Brenda that lives in California. Finally, I'm going to open it in this video. Thank you, Nina and Nino, for giving me my late birthday gift. I can't wait to open it. Wow! It's a lot of stuff. So the first thing that she gave me is this pretty notebook. It has some stickers, a lot of stickers. This is so pretty. Thank you, Nina and Nino. I love it. I can take it to everywhere I go. So the next thing that she gave me, whoa! Look at this backpack. Hey! I have this pretty ear head that you can put it to hear something. I love this. Thank you. And I have this pretty backpack. I love it. I love this, Nino and Nina. Thank you for buying me this backpack. Whoa! You can make your own lip gloss, guys. Wow, I love this, dear Nina and Nina. And here's some bracelets so you can put on. I love this. Whoa! You can put some fake nails so you can paint your nails and some stickers and glitter. Whoa, thank you. Guys, I don't know what is this. Let's open it. It's an other wrapper. Oh my gosh! I love this. Thank you, Nina and Nino. It's glitter, and when you move it, the glitter keeps falling off. Wow! Is there more? So one more last thing. Wait, I cannot take it out, guys. Oh, I see it. Whoa, it's a unicorn so you can put your coins. Thank you. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.